This video will cover some of the enhancements to Gibbs CAM Tombstone Management System. We're going to cover custom spacing, part layout, then stock and fixture layout. So you start by fully programming the seed part. You'll only need to create just enough stock and fixtures to define the machining process. Then we can go right into the TMS plugin. You can see that there's a new section where you can define your custom spacing. So you fill out the new custom spacing to match your fixture design and part layout. Once you have that defined, you can go ahead and use the enhanced stock and fixture layout options. You can see here you can define the stock, the count, the steps, and then where it starts. By just clicking the Set button, we can see that the tombstone is automatically populated. We can follow these same steps to offset the fixtures. There's my steps and my rotation. Hit Set, and you can see that the tombstone is automatically populated. So let's go ahead and show custom spacing. So we can go ahead and click this and we can do custom spacing for a fixture quickly and easily. You can see here we have count, we have positions in the X, Y, and then the rotation in the B. So we can see quickly just by clicking Set. Let's go ahead and look at that way. We can see that it's very quick, very easy to get a visual representation of what your tombstone is going to look like. So when you simulate your seed part program, we save that simulation as a facet body. We can use that facet body that we programmed for that file for fast and accurate rendering for the tombstone machining process. You can see here we can define the stock. We can do custom spacing on the stock. And it gives you all the tools you need to accomplish very accurate, precise representation of what your tombstone will look like during the machining process. You can notice that you are no longer bound to defining these offsets and these instances by a grid. You can go ahead and put in any kind of position to more clearly represent what your tombstone is going to look like as you're machining it. So we can see once we're done, we have this really nice representation with our stock and our fixtures with a part that is ready for simulation. So let's go ahead and take a look at the simulation of this part. So here's the fully defined part on a machine simulation. We can see here that it's going through and run through the part. This is where that new ability to offset your part really pays off. You can really see how this is machining. We're going to take a look at another view, a top view right here, right now. This is my favorite. This is a really good way to look at how the tombstone is rotating and making sure that you have clearance for your holder, your spindle, and your tool. So there was just a really quick video to show the enhancements in Gibbs CAM 2015 for Tombstone Management System, covering the custom spacing, part layout, and then stock and fixture layout. Thank you very much.